Westside launches YNG, a platform for the next generation of fashion creatives. Young designers from NIFT give to of Westside's in-house brands a whole new spin, Bombay Paisley and ETA. Bangalore, Westside, one of India's leading fashion retail brands, part of Trent Limited, unveiled its young new game changer, YNG, program, an inspiring initiative designed to celebrate and nurture India's next generation of fashion creators. For its debut edition, Westside collaborated with NIFT, inviting students to reimagine two of its most loved in-house labels, Bombay Paisley and ETA. Under the new YNG label, a bold and Gen Z-inspired collection had been showcased. The first look of YNG was revealed at Westside's Media Day on 11 September, an intimate celebration of creativity that brought together members of the press, content creators, potential partners, and Westside's own community of customers. Alongside the YNG capsule collections, the event also featured Westside's seasonal fashion showcase, offering audiences a glimpse into the brand's evolving creative direction. With YNG, Westside has created a dynamic stage for young designers, stylists, models, influencers, photographers, videographers, and hair and makeup artists to express their talent in a professional fashion environment. As a lifestyle brand, Westside has always been committed to creating meaningful spaces where young voices can thrive, said Shalina Ku, Westside. Through YNG, we gave emerging talent the opportunity to design for real brands, build strong portfolios, and gain valuable industry experience while being rewarded for their work. It was truly a celebration of creativity, collaboration, and the entrepreneurial spirit of Gen Z. The journey of YNG was also captured in a behind-the-scenes miniseries, From Sketch to Store. The YNG journey, documenting the energy and determination of the process from the first sketches and fittings to the final reveal. The series opened with celebrated design duo Saksha and Kinni, highlighting the passion and vision that brought the inaugural YNG collections to life. Through YNG, Westside reinforced its role as a purpose-driven lifestyle brand, empowering the next generation of fashion creatives and building a launchpad where bold ideas transform into culture and careers. About Trent. Trent Limited is part of the Tata Group and operates a portfolio of retail concepts. The primary customer propositions of Trent include Westside, one of India's leading chains of fashion retail stores, Zudio, a one-stop destination for great fashion at great value, and Trent Hypermarket, which operates in the competitive food, grocery and daily needs segment under the Star banner. Trent's new fashion concepts include Samo, a differentiated and elevated occasion wear offering. Westside stores have a footprint of predominantly between 18,000 to 34,000 square feet across 90 cities. Westside stocks lifestyle collections ranging from women's and men's fashion apparel, lingerie, key.
Place. And I think tonight the product teams have created a great collection. They have made it useful. They've made it stand out. The brief is people who buy our clothes should feel $1 million, but only spend a few rupees. And I think we've cracked it. But the other part is we've got to tell the story. We've got to make it come together and for you to all believe it. And we have vendors who help us make the story come alive, and a lot of people who work long hours on creating these ranges. So I think tonight I'm really proud at what this is looking like. It looks $1 million, but believe me, it's exceptionally affordable. So I think watch this space. Westside's going places. And, you know, the desire and the dream is we can be a global brand. India should have a global brand. So we've got plenty of people in India and we love them all. But we've raised the bar and the team have put together, and thank you, Amashin, and all the people, and thank you, Venkat, for the support, and all those people who give us that pat on the back. But listen, thank you everybody, and thank you for coming. And keep looking at us, because innovation and fighting for our place happens every